You don't want a motorhome, you want freedom, and this is it. This is the 2027 Outlaw 38K, 39 feet, 9 inches of made in Indiana goodness. Let's walk around back. Why? This is the zero-G ramp door, because you don't give a G what anybody else thinks, right? Let's open this up because you want to load this garage with 200 horsepower motorcycles. That's the type of person you are. Maybe it's a patio. Right now, we're going to use it as a ramp. 2,000-pound capacity in the garage. Think about all the things you can load up in here and check out the space. Space for everything you need to live your way in the Outlaw. You are the king in your bedroom with a king-size tilt-a-view bed. You have space for a stackable washer and dryer. Lots of closet room, lots of headroom in the Outlaw, 80 inches at the lowest because you want space to move around. If you want a tight, little, tiny RV, keep scrolling, baby, because this isn't it. How about we hit up that bathroom? Everything you could ask for in a potty on the go. Your shower, your porcelain toilet, your sink, tankless hot water, and how about cookies for breakfast and an 8-pound steak for dinner? You can make it right here in the Outlaw. 2-burner gas cooktop, electric induction cooktop, microwave sink, and notice how gorgeous this window box is, because it's all about looking good and feeling good. We have a nice residential refrigerator up front. As we move on up, how about we have a seat right here on the sofa? We are talking sleeping for 5, seatbelts for 7. There is room for everybody. Have a seat at the sofa, watch the smart TV, OneGuard Connect, 5G on board. Dream Dinette is everything you need a table or a workspace to be. It's fantastic for everything you could ask for. And then as we head up front, guess what? We have a mighty V8 under the hood. You want that power? You are gonna get it. Look at that. Sirius XM satellite radio, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, flip-out dash workstation, everything you could ask for the motorhome of your dreams. This is the 2027 Outlaw 38K, and you should explore more at thormotorcoach.com.